In today's video, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo ang mga school bags that I prepared for my kids. And like I said in part 1 of this video, these school bags along with the shoes are actually very popular among students and kids here in Korea. So, ang brand ulit ng binili kong school bag for my daughter is from Fila. The same brand ng shoes niya. Mas mura na siya kumpara sa like ibang mas sikat na brands dito sa Korea. And kung titingnan mo naman, napaka-sturdy niya. Ang tawag nila dito sa Korea is check kabang. Check kabang. So this is supposed to carry their books. Hindi na mahilig sa pink and purple or anything na masyadong vivid yung color ang anak ng babae. So she said, "Mommy, I want black." So, ayun, kaya napili namin to. And I'm so happy kasi, syempre as, you know, as a mom, I still want something na parang may girly statement sa bag niya. And this is super nice. Yung part na to. Kapag magbibitbit sila ng water bottle, pwede dyan. Marami siyang pockets. So, 1, and then 2, yung mga, halimbawa, lagayan ng mga school supplies niya, pencils and erasers and stuff, pwedeng dito. And then, yung notebooks, pwedeng ilagay sa part na to, dito sa pocket na to. Notebooks, and then meron ulit extra na pockets. And for the books naman, perfect na perfect yung books dito sa likod. So this is, I believe, a perfect school bag sa like older kids. She can continue using this for the next 3 years hanggang sa graduate siya ng elementary school, and I believe pwede pa niyang gawing parang travel bag ito later on. Actually, I would love to use this myself. I mean, eventually, siguro kung tapos na siya ng elementary and we need to buy her a new bag for middle school, I would surely love to use this. Kahit ako na lang yung gumamit na nito. Ang ganda niya. Ayun. So, ang ganda niyang parang gawing ano din, travel bag. Yeah. So, it's super nice. The next school bag naman is for my middle schooler. In-order ko lang din siya online. Tada! Ayan. Magkaparehas lang sila ng brand. And medyo nakaless ako ng konti dito kasi it was, I think, sale siya ng like 12% yata. Pero ito naman for older students. Okay, so like from middle school to high school to I think even pwedeng university na. So mas malaki siyang konti. Ganyan. Oh my God. My son chose this bag. Pinakita ko lang sa kanya yung mga options like this one, this style, this brand, ganyan. And siya mismo yung pumili ng brand na to. Ang ganda rin kasi ang dami niyang pockets. So, like this one, pwedeng, you know, like a pen or pencil or anything na kailangan, you know, madali ang kuhanin. You can put here. And then, this side is for, I believe, pencil case. And, I think yung isa sa pinakamagandang point ng Fila school bags, or at least ng mga patok na school bags dito sa Korea is this one. Meron silang parang net na part dito. So, usually you can put something na kailangan madaling makita, like Okay, halimbawa, ilalagay ko dito yung calculator. Ayan. Or, maybe for girls, yung mga, sometimes mga makeup nila or something. So, makikita mo agad na, oh, andyan siya. Ayun. Tsaka, it's super, super safe. If someone tries to open this, like that, maririnig mo talaga. So, hindi lang basta-basta pwedeng nakawin yung nasa loob nito. And what's really nice then, kasi this bag comes with a free pencil case. Maliit lang siya na pouch, pero pwedeng-pwede siyang gawing pencil case. And in fact, pwede mo siyang ihang dito sa part na to. Okay. Ganyan. So, you can hang it here. Hindi siya basta-bastang mapipigtas. And, you know, like halimbawa, if you have mga items na need mong ilagay dito, pwede mo siyang, or madali lang siyang kunin. Ayun. So, eto, ang dami din yung pockets. And of course, for the notebooks, yung part na to for the notebooks. Ayan. And meron pa siyang additional na pockets din dyan sa loob. Meron ding zipper. I think, you know, if you have money or phone or something, pwede mo siyang ilagay dito. And I like this white na zipper accent. So, yung black and white na accent niya is super elegant. And of course, dito naman ang books. And this one is for the laptop. Sa mga like older students na like high school halimbawa or even college students na kailangan magbitbit ng laptop nila, pwedeng-pwede dito sa part na to. So my son is most likely going to use this for the next 3 years then. And then, dito, sa likod niya, super sturdy. And meron siyang lock na ganyan. So halimbawa, okay, kung puno ng books ito, and medyo mabigat siya, you can like lock it here para balance yung weight niya. And pwede siyang pang travel bag. In fact, so I don't know, like in the future siguro kung kami ng family ko we're going to go on a short trip, pwedeng bitbitin to ng mga kids na travel bags nila. Like I said, yung mga ganitong bags, gustong-gusto ng mga kabataan dito sa Korea. I think it's more than just the style, but I think it has something to do with, you know, the quality of the bags na alam mo, pwede nilang gamitin talaga for the whole duration of like the middle school years and even in high school. Pwede. So, I am super satisfied sa mga nabili ko actually. So, etong month na to, or, you know, the past couple of weeks, sobrang magastos talaga for parents na, you know, are sending their kids to school in Korea. For comparison purposes, ipapakita ko lang yung school bag ng daughter ko for 3 years when she was in first grade hanggang 3rd grade elementary school. Since 3 years nga niyang ginagamit and madalas, alam niyo na, nilalagay sa ground and all kapag naglalaro. So, kaya medyo dirty na lang siyang tingnan. But this is still in perfect condition. Wala siyang sira. Actually, I was thinking of like probably cleaning this. And baka pwede ko siyang ipadala sa Pinas and ipamigay doon sa mga, you know, pamangkin na may gusto. Kasi napakaganda pa niya actually. And this was pink. Yung daughter ko mismo yung pumili nito when she was about to enter 1st grade elementary school. So compare ko lang, yung napili niya ngayon na na style naman ng bag. So there's a big difference na sa style niya. Ayaw na niya ng pink and girly or pang princess na type. Gusto niya ng hindi masyadong dumihin, black. Somehow she has grown and meron na siyang sarili niyang style. So nakakatuwa lang, like you can see the the growth and like the differences in the style and the preferences of the kids. Ito yung from 1st to 3rd grade. 3 years din yung ginamit. And hopefully, magagamit niya din to for the next 3 years. Huwag sana niyang masira or mawala. So, ipapakita ko lang din yung school bag ng panganay ko for 3 years din. He really took care of this one. And ang brand niya is Black Yak. Maganda talaga siyang bag. Kasi yung mga ilalagay mo sa loob, hindi talaga siya nalulukot and all. And then, yung part na ito dito sa likod niya, para siyang may foam. So, hindi siya masakit sa likod, tsaka sa like lower back ng estudyante. So, ang plano ko dito is same lang din. I am going to wash this. And ipapadala ko din siya sa Pinas. So, hopefully, yung mapagbibigyan nito can also use this for much longer. Kasi sayang naman kung itatapon kasi. I mean, kung pwede ko lang sanang gamitin to, sa akin na lang. Pero, pang bata talaga. So, this one naman obviously is for older kids na talaga. And, like I said, pwede din siyang pang-travel. Ayan. Actually, kahit ako pwede ko siyang gamitin. Kaya lang, hindi naman kasi ganito yung bags na ginagamit ko usually for work. Pang-estudyante talaga siya. Kaya ang tawag nila dito sa Korea is check habang. So, yun lang. This is it for today's unboxing. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to support my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.